Here's a 2016 Chevy Silverado with a new full-featured alarm with pager remote, lock, unlock, pop trunk. This alarm system does not remote start the engine. It is full-featured alarm with keyless entry to lock and unlock and the pager remote only. This is not a remote start. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system. I'm going to reach in and unlock the doors. We'll open up the back door. There you can see that the remote lets us know that someone has opened the door. It has 1,000 feet in the range. Lock, unlock, pop trunk for the cars. Got them in stock and ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. 2016 Chevy Silverado pager full featured alarm.